has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Genoa, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakwood Hills, Fox River Grove, Carpentersville, Valley View, McCullum Lake, Algonquin, Lily Lake, West Dundee, Camden Hills, Virgil, Burlington, Holiday Hills, McHenry, Hampshire, Ridgefield, Cortland, East Dundee, Lake Mirror, Cary, Johnsburg, Elgin, South Elgin, Pistakee Highlands, Hunley, and Island Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois. This is no